If you've run across this video, your loved one has been paralyzed by the stupidity and negligence of a truck driver or trucking company. And I know your life is in crisis, but there's some things that you need to do right now to protect them and their future. Hi, my name is Hugh Howerton. I'm a board-certified personal injury trial lawyer, and I specialize in trucking accident cases across the United States. I need to give you some important information on what you need to do right now. There are some things that you need to do and things that you need to avoid in hiring the right lawyer for this case. Trust me, you need to do it right now. All right, let's start off with what not to do. If any lawyer shows up or tries to contact you that you don't know and says, hey, I want to represent you in your case, I can get them a bunch of money, or else, even worse, I'll pay you a bunch of money to sign up as a client, you do not want this ambulance-chasing lawyer. The second thing not to do is to pick the first lawyer that you run across without researching their credentials and experience in handling truck accident cases. I can't stress that enough. I get calls all the time from people who have quickly picked the lawyer only to find out it's a bad fit, it's a bad situation, and things are going south. They quickly realize that the lawyer has no idea how to handle a complex trucking accident case. Don't let that happen to you. So carefully research your lawyer and make sure that they have a history of winning truck accident cases before, because not every personal injury lawyer has the skill set and experience necessary to win a truck accident case. All right, what should you look for? The first thing you should look for, obviously, is a lawyer that specializes in truck accident cases, that has experience winning a catastrophic truck accident case. So much of your loved one's future depends on the outcome of the case. I know this. You need to make sure that you find a lawyer that you're comfortable with, that you feel has their best interest at heart. If you get the feeling that the lawyer just wants the case for the amount of money that they will make on it, you do not want that lawyer. Research the lawyer's credentials, look at the client reviews, and then talk with them to get a feeling about how they're going to treat you in the case. If you do all these things, you're going to get a much better lawyer and a much better outcome in the case. The final thing I need to tell you is you need to hire a truck accident lawyer right now. And let me tell you why. The tractor, and if there was a trailer attached to it, is the most important piece of evidence in the case. It needs to be secured right away so that your lawyer and his expert witnesses can look through the tractor and trailer to see if there's anything wrong that may have contributed to the accident, and to download the black box or data event recorder so that that information can be analyzed later to determine the cause of the accident. I can't stress that enough. Insurance companies for trucking companies have what they call an emergency dispatch team. That's a team of expert witnesses that include accident reconstructionists, biomechanical engineers, photographers, videographers, etc. They are there right after the crash happened, and you need to hire your lawyer as soon as possible so that they and their experts can get to the scene of the accident to collect valuable evidence before it is lost or worse, destroyed. If you do these things right now, you're going to get ultimately justice for your loved one. I wish you the very best.